In this video, we will show you how to export your BNB Smart Chain wallet private key to Metamask. First, install the Metamask browser extension for your browser. We are using Google Chrome and have already installed the extension from their web store. Next, navigate to the BNB wallet and LocalCoinSwap. Click on Export. You will be prompted with a warning to ensure no one else sees your screen, as you risk losing your funds if your private key is exposed. Click on the Show Private Key button to reveal the private key. Copy it. Then, open your Metamask wallet. Click on Ethereum mainnet dropdown. Then click on Add Network. Add and approve BNB chain from the list. Switch to BNB chain. Read the instructions and confirm the switch to BNB chain. Proceed to the account dropdown and click on Add Account. Since we are importing a private key, click Import Account. Paste the private key copied from LocalCoinSwap here. Click Import. Let's ensure that we have imported the correct wallet. Copy the address generated in Metamask and compare it with the LocalCoinSwap's BNB Smart Chain wallet. They match.